Today, a new leader in the BJP has made a statement saying that regional parties are too small to survive. Tipra Motha, which is our party, is too small a player and we will not survive for long. And they have also mocked at a constitutional demand for Greater Tipra land. So all I have to say is that yes, BJP is a very big party. They are the richest party in the country. They have more organizational strength than us. But we are a small hill-based party. They are more powerful than us. So let BJP be ready to fight in all the 60 seats. We are ready to fight in 30 to 35 seats. And uske baad, in the end, the people will decide who is a small party and who is a big party. People will give them the answer. And let me tell you one thing to all these leaders. Arrogance is not a good thing in politics. Arrogance can bring down the high and mighty. And if you have the arrogance and you think that you can take us on, we are ready to fight BJP in every seat. I don't think after today's statement, we are ready for any alliance or any future alliance. The BJP needs to clarify their position. Otherwise, there will be consequences of today's statement.